Good afternoon, everyone. All right. So, I have some, well, it's not really happy mail. It's happy delivery, I guess. So, I found a new friend in real life, guys. Real life new friend. Junk journal friend in our new town. Of course, we haven't moved yet. But since you guys know, a little bit about us, I'm moving to the town that I work in, and one of my viewers actually lives in that town, and so we met each other today when I left work, and so yeah, we are. I told her, I was like, I am so excited to have an actual, like, real life junk journal friend and not just online. I mean, online's great too, but it's fantastic. So she is going through, Sharon, by the way, is her name, and she's going through a room, her craft room, and getting rid of a lot of stuff. She said she's got a lot of duplicates, a lot of stuff she wouldn't use, as we always do. We just happen to accumulate things and then don't end up using it. And so she is going to start sharing stuff with me as time goes on, and but she's like, I didn't want to overwhelm you because you are trying to move, so I didn't want to make you move all of that here so you can get the rest of it when you're here. But she said she packaged up some stuff she thought that I would like to use right now, so I'm really excited. All right. So she said she's got a whole bunch of stickers of different types, and some of them are planning stickers that she's still got at her house. She just wasn't sure if I would use them. So here's some fun little stickers that I could use for, I'm actually looking at these, I'm thinking on tags. So just like popping a random letter or something on a tag, just kind of like you do with numbers, only that of the letter variety. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so then we've got some Anna Griffin stuff, and it's some Anna Griffin papers and such. And she said this was, let me see here, because she wrote down what this stuff was. So we've got yeah, I know that she said there was more Anna Griffin stuff, but I don't think this is exactly what she was talking about, but yes. So I'm really excited, some little fun Anna Griffin things. And I've seen her stuff and I'm like, man, I don't know if I could use her stuff, but I can grunge it up, so I'm really excited there. There we go, small baggie of Anna Griffin ink squares, and yes, I believe that's what it says, Anna Griffin plaid ink pad squares. I believe that would be it. Or wait a second, there's a bag in a bag, and I'm kind of confused, but I will figure it out. I've actually got a class for work here pretty soon, so I can't do a whole lot of spending too much time right here, because I got to be on the computer. It's a web training. So she also gave something to my wife, who actually they have some stuff in common, because she used to be a teacher and my wife is a teacher. So here's some glue dots. And then okay, Anna Griffin, I guess plaid is one of her brands or her trademark type things. And she gave me she saw on the on that one video I made last week or the week before, something like that, that I ran out of Uhu and haven't been able to buy any yet, and so she brought me Uhu, so thank you so much, Sharon. I love it. Ooh, here's buttons, grommets, brads. Oh, that's fun. Sweet. I'm gonna have to go through these because there's obviously a bunch of small pieces, and so I'm gonna have to do that when I've got some more time so I can sort them so I don't just fly everywhere. And then here's a Mother's Day wooden album, close to my heart brand. Sorry, hitting things, but as you could tell, very nice. It's wooden, so, and it's got these little rings here. Sweet. Awesome. So I'll definitely have to do something for Mother's Day, or you know, something of the sort with that. Let's see if I can get it back in here how she had it. Good Lord. Okay, there we go. She had it in there a lot nicer than I do. I don't know what she did. Okay, anyway, and then she said that she was going through and she saw this scrapbook, like masculine plaid type paper and stuff, and so I'm really excited about that. It's K and Company. I'm super excited. Ooh, that's pretty. So yeah, I am super excited to use this, and I've already got ideas for that, so that's super fun. And then she has a metal tear ruler that I love. This is the plaid again, so I'm pretty sure Anna Griffin, I would assume. Or maybe it's like Sizzix, where Tim's a designer, you know, and Anna Griffin's a designer for plaid. I'm not sure. I really don't know a whole bunch about Anna Griffin. I just know she makes really cool stuff. So here's a whole bunch of like little tiny envelopes, and then they kind of increase in size and color. Ooh, that's pretty. And grunginess. These look kind of vintage. And then largest on top there. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing because I've got to do that class like I said, and my wife had to go get one of our kids, and so they'll be back anytime, and like I said, I need to log into that class and everything, so, but I really wanted to get this video done so that I can upload it tonight. So let's see what else is in here. She said, yeah, so if you guys didn't know, Dollar Tree has these little bottles of Mod Podge. I've only seen the gloss at Dollar Tree, but she said there's a couple in my new town that has some wonderful craft stuff, so I'm gonna have to definitely go and check that out. So yeah, I'm really gonna have to check that out and see for myself. So we've also got these scissors, which are really cool because my mom used to have a whole bunch of these, and I'm not sure where they went exactly, but I got a couple at a thrift store and they just didn't really cut that well, so I think they either need to be sharpened or replaced, and so these will be nice addition. And then I've got a couple Anna Griffin of these little cutters, and my mom actually had some of these too, so not Anna Griffin, but they were this type from the scrapbooking days. So all right, thank you so much, Sharon, and like I said, I'm so excited that I've actually got my very own craft friend that's going to be in my own city, so that's really exciting, and I'm thrilled to have a like I said, a craft friend near me instead of just online. And so anyway, so I'm not late for my class for work. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Sharon, for your generosity and making me feel at home in the new city before we even move. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.